Have you ever slept for 8 or 9 hours and still woke up feeling exhausted? Meanwhile, someone else sleeps just 5 or 6 hours and somehow has more energy than you all day. So, what's really going on? Is it genetics? Is it luck? Or is there something your brain knows that you don't? Psychology and sleep science have a surprising answer. And before we begin, tell me in the comments, how many hours did you sleep last night? Because the problem might not be how much you sleep, it might be how you sleep. 1. Your brain cares more about quality than quantity. Most people think sleeping longer automatically means feeling better. But your brain doesn't simply count hours, it pays attention to sleep quality. While you sleep, your body moves through different sleep cycles. The two most important stages are deep sleep and REM sleep. Deep sleep helps your body recover and repair itself. REM sleep helps your brain process memories, emotions, and learning. When these stages happen properly, you wake up feeling refreshed. But when your sleep is interrupted by stress, caffeine, notifications, or poor habits, your brain struggles to reach those important stages. That's why some people sleep for 8 hours and still feel tired. Think of it like charging your phone. A fast charger for 6 hours can be better than a broken charger for 8. The same thing happens with your sleep. 2. Sleep and wake up at the same time. One of the most powerful sleep habits is also one of the simplest. Go to sleep and wake up at nearly the same time every day. Psychologists call this your circadian rhythm, your body's internal clock. When you sleep at random times, your brain gets confused. It doesn't know when to prepare for sleep or when to help you wake up. But when you follow a consistent schedule, your brain learns the pattern. You fall asleep faster, you sleep better, and waking up becomes much easier. Your brain loves routines. The more consistent you are, the better it works. 3. Follow the 90-minute rule. Here's a simple trick that can make a huge difference. Your sleep happens in cycles that last about 90 minutes. If your alarm wakes you up in the middle of one of those cycles, you'll often feel groggy and tired, even if you've slept for many hours. This feeling is called sleep inertia. That's why some people feel awful after 8 hours of sleep, but feel surprisingly good after less. Try planning your sleep around complete cycles. For example, 4.5 hours, 6 hours, or 7.5 hours. Waking up at the end of a cycle can help you feel much more alert. 4. Your phone might be the real problem. Let's be honest. A lot of people watching this are probably lying in bed with their phone right now. Maybe it's midnight, maybe 2 a.m., maybe even later. The problem isn't just that you're staying awake. The blue light from your screen can make it harder for your brain to produce melatonin, the hormone that helps you sleep. As a result, your sleep quality drops, and the next morning you wake up feeling tired. Try avoiding screens for the last 30 to 60 minutes before bed. Read a book. Stretch. Listen to calm music. Give your brain time to slow down. 5. Use morning sunlight to reset your brain. What you do in the first few minutes after waking up matters more than most people realize. Instead of reaching for your phone immediately, try getting some sunlight. Morning sunlight helps reset your body clock and signals your brain that it's time to be awake. Many people notice they feel more focused, alert, and energized after spending just a few minutes outside. It's one of the simplest ways to improve both your sleep and your energy levels. Most people think the solution is to sleep more, but often the real solution is to sleep smarter. Better sleep quality, a consistent schedule, less screen time at night, and more sunlight in the morning. Small changes like these can completely change how you feel every day. Before you leave, what time is it right now where you're watching this? Drop your current time in the comments. And if you enjoy psychology and self-improvement content like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Now, seriously, if you're supposed to be sleeping right now, put the phone down and get some rest.